Welcome back to Exploring Appalachia. Today we're in Pipestem, West Virginia at the Pipestem Falls. Waterfall that runs right along the road here. I'm A.B. McCline, joined by the Arson dad of Google Bandito. Kendall with us today. We're going to check out this falls here. Runs right along the road. I've passed it numerous times. He stopped before and checked it out. I've never got to, so we're going to explore around and check it out. We're going to take you with us.
You can see it's a little park kind of area fixed here right beside the road. Bench and then some steps up there that lead, I guess, to get a better vantage point in the falls. You can see it kind of there. Back by there goes off deep, but historical sign here. Pipestem Falls, the name derived from the hollow-stemmed shrub Spirea alba, not sure if that's pronounced correct, which grows profusely along the Big and Little Pipestem creeks. The first white man to see Pipestem was Christopher Geist, 1750, while exploring for the Ohio Land Company. Shawnee Indians camped near this site in 1774. They used the hollow stem shrub, as later did the white settlers, for pipe stems. A beautiful, fully equipped state park is located at this site. Well, I guess that's referring to Pipestem State Park, which is just up the road. But we'll do a drop over here, check out the falls, and look how deep down it is from up here. I don't know if all of that, but great shot. Very nice falls. Let's see if we can check out this upper area, get some more shots. Now walking along here, a nice little bench sit here, have a little picnic. Whatever, it looks like a sign was here at one point, but or something. So this all kind of runs right along the falls. You can see, and then steps it up here. Good shot there. And it looks like a marker of some sorts over here. Planted in memory of Russell Keaton. So that tree, a memorial tree. Some more posts here, I guess. Get back, but cool shot. And this will put us up towards the top. Alright, made it up. You see a big rock formation up here behind. Alright, and then when you get up here, a little path that runs there and on up. We'll go around here first. And this kind of gets you right in the middle of the falls, did you? Yeah, you can see the kind of the start up there, I guess. Long Falls runs all the way down. It did drop there, but the big drop pushed off over there. Walk on up. Kind of pretty cool overview though up here, really nice. And then back up this way. probably get a better shot of the big drop. There you see, and there's the big drop. Runs up, around. Well, a pretty good drop there. And up through there. Long falls.
Bigger than I thought it was. I hadn't really got out and looked at it.
Yeah, pretty neat. And it's a long way down. I don't know how good the camera does it justice, but I don't want to fall off.
No way.
And back down. Some more visitors stop by, taking some pictures. And we'll go back down and take another look at the falls and wrap it up. Here you see Pipestem Falls, and you know, this is kind of, you can almost see this coming back up Route 20 here, coming into Pipestem, West Virginia, and get a glimpse of it and think, you know, it's not a big falls to stop and look at, but as we just saw, once you really dive in and go up there and look, it's a long falls with multiple layers. It's really pretty neat. So definitely worth stopping by if you're down this way, if you're on your way possibly to Hinton, West Virginia, in this area here in Summers County. That's going to about wrap up this little episode of Exploring Appalachia. Hope you've enjoyed it. Check out all of our past episodes and lots more to come. Subscribe and check us out on social media as well. We'll be back for more Exploring Appalachia.